Brahman represents the ultimate reality, an infinite cosmic power underlying all existence. This infinite power is formless and eternal, serving as the source of everything seen and unseen. Gods and goddesses are expressions of this singular, infinite source. The transformation from the formless ocean to structured galaxies illustrates Brahman's creative power. Brahman's nature encompasses both the visible and invisible aspects of reality. The deities represent different facets and manifestations of this ultimate underlying reality. Atman is defined as the individual soul, a spark of Brahman residing within each being. A candle flame serves as a metaphor for Atman, burning steadily as the candle melts. The flame symbolizes Atman's unchanging essence through life's changes. The ultimate realization is the merging of the individual Atman with the universal Brahman, illustrating their fundamental unity. Karma is the universal law of cause and effect, where actions influence future experiences. Every action, thought, and intention plants a seed that shapes future experiences. Acts of kindness and acts of harm yield contrasting future outcomes. Dharma represents one's life duty, contributing to universal harmony. Each individual's dharma is unique to their role and circumstances. Moksha is liberation from the cycle of rebirth, representing union with Brahman and the end of suffering.